everybody, welcome back to my channel, Karen Prudence, Let's Stitch and Make Up. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a video. I have 12 days of Christmas to catch up on. I got an advent calendar, which is 24 or 25 days, I can't remember. And the mail here in Manitoba is really backed up, so my packages were held up for quite a few days. Finally, it all came here, and it's understandable. The mail, with everything going on right now, I've gotten other packages really fast. It's because of everything going on. So I am just excited to have them, and it just means more for me to open up on one day, which is awesome. So we're going to get right into that. The advent calendar comes from Kitchener Yarn Co. And I'll put all the information down below. And it is amazing. Big boxes. Here is one box. This is one big box, and there's another one just as big as that one. And they're both jam-packed, just full with stuff. I hope the lighting is good in here. We're in my living room. And I have my Christmas tree right next to me. And my sign. So I might get in the way of the sign, but oh, I am so sorry. I just kicked y'all really bad. My bad. Sorry about that. I hope I didn't make you too dizzy. So we're gonna go, because I don't want this video to be too terribly long. Now let's dig in. I'm just gonna bend down to get my packages and be very careful that I do not kick you again and make y'all dizzy, because I might have done that already. So sorry. Okay, we have day one. Now look at. Can you see how fabulously that Christy wrapped these up? That's just so nice. And I have my magnifier here in case I need it. So let's go. Day one. I'm so excited. And just to forewarn everybody, I suffer from narcolepsy with cataplexy. And cataplexy is a condition where whenever I have any big emotions, I get startled, I laugh, I get really excited, and I'll have a cataplexy attack. Now, what it looks like is, it almost looks like I faint, but it's not. I lose all muscle control. My head bobs forward, or if I'm in back, I'll just go limp. All muscles, everything will just go limp. And I won't be able to talk or open my eyes or move for a couple of seconds to sometimes a couple of minutes. And I can still hear everything, I can feel everything, I just can't talk or open my eyes or move. And then once it's over, I just get up like nothing happened, and I'm right back to normal. So unfortunately, because of the narcolepsy, this is one of the things that can come along with it. And it's called cataplexy, and I just happen to have it. And the medication that they do normally give you, it didn't... when I tried taking it, it didn't go well with me. I ended up having terrible nightmares with it, and I would stop breathing at night. So they took me off of it, and there really isn't a lot that can be done for it. But I do manage to keep my emotions and everything level, and I try to stay out of situations that can be dangerous for me. I do have to go out on my own. What am I saying? I do have to go out with somebody all the time. I can't go out on my own anymore. I can't drive. So my husband always has to be with me whenever I go out, because in case I do have one, if let's say a car honks or something and startles me, when I fall, he catches me. Other times, if it's a too dangerous situation, he'll put me in a wheelchair, because, you know, if I fall, I have brittle bones. I have osteogenesis imperfecta, and I break very easily. So if I fall, I can break, which I have done numerous times. I fell, I hit my foot, I broke my toe right in half, and I was just laying there on the ground like, okay, that hurts, but there's nothing I can do about it. And like when I fell in the shower and broke 2 ribs and punctured a lung. So yeah, fun stuff. So let's get on with this, because I might have a cataplexy. So I'm sitting in this chair that sits me back, and just in case I do, you guys are forewarned. I will leave one or two in, just so you guys can see what it's about, but I will edit most of them out. So you guys aren't bored to tears watching me just lay here like you know, but with my eyes shut. Okay, so let's go on. Enough talking. So, day one. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you had your choice. You could get worsted weight for yarn for this advent calendar, yarn advent calendar. You could get whatever size you wanted. I chose bulky because I don't really have a lot of bulky in my stash. I have a lot of worsted weight. I have a size 3, a little bit of those. I have a couple of ones, but I don't really have a lot of bulky, and I'd like to get more. I just recently started gathering up more bulky. So then next time I'll get a different size. So first one I pull out, oh my goodness. I'm just going to come up nice and close to y'all so you can see the loveliness of that. That is wonderful, and it is so soft. It doesn't have any specks on it, but isn't that fantastic? And this is sure a bulky, and those are my colors. This is incredibly soft. So wonderful. And then look at this one. Holy Tremoly. Isn't that color beautiful? I think right there is probably the color. I'll come in nice and close. Oh yeah, that's the color right there. Isn't that nice? And this is so squishy, soft as well. Holy, I love it. Ooh, and we got another one in here. Holy moly, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, look at that. It's peach and gray. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at day one. Look at how much is in day one. There's something else in here, people. Holy crow. Oh, my favorite. We have some Tim Hortons French vanilla. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love it. This is my fave. My husband buys me the tins and I keep it in there in a jar, and then I have it, and my daughter has a cappuccino maker, and I do a froth of the milk and I put it on top. Oh my goodness, delicious. I am so excited about that. Very, very excited. So that is day one. Can you believe that? That is so much for day one. So I'm just going to slide it back in the bag here. Like each bag is just busting with goodies. Like, I'm impressed from just day one. And I got 11 more days to do. So let's get a rolling. All right, I'm reaching down in my big box over here. And here is day 2. And I just love that she put it in brown paper bags as well. And we got some nice ribbon of sticky tape, like, what do you call that? Washi tape, I think it is. Oh, look at this ginormous fella right here. I'll just read what it's. Oh my goodness. Stitch Studio by Nicole. It's comfort. Look. I don't know if you can see the label. Am I showing you okay? I never know if I am, because I am losing my vision, so I can't see if you guys are seeing everything up there. That's why I need this. This is a bulky 5. It is 50% acrylic, 50% polyester. You get 326 yards, a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, and a 5.75 millimeter knitting needles. Hand wash, warm, dry, flat, and and you can find projects on their website. Lovely. Oh my goodness. That guy is huge. Just massive. So put that one over there. And now we're going for day 3. Looky, looky. See? Number 3. All right. Let's get this guy opened up. And I mean, I love these bags. I don't know if this is a check print or a buffalo print or what. But I love it. It is so nice. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, look at. I have never had any like this. This is Stitch Studio again. Supreme. Look at how big those bulky strands are. Holy. Wow. Wow, is that ever squishy too? Holy. Okay, so I'll hold it up like this as I read. I gotta turn it the other way around. And it is a Jumbo 7, 100% acrylic, and machine wash warm. And it takes a 25mm crochet hook and a 25mm knitting needles. Wow, 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 wow. That's all I can say. Wow. And there's something else in here. There's something else in our little bag. Oh, look at that. Look at, I don't know if you can see. That's so close. Oh. It is, oops, a bath pod, goat's milk and honey. Wow, add hot water and let the pod just melt away. Ooh, that is going to be so nice. Oh, somebody's going to be having a bath with that. Okay, I'm reaching. What number did I just do? 3. Oh, here's 4. Number 4. I think I'm going to have to speed up a little bit, and I might have to go get my other box. Eep. So here we go. Oh, look at this one is in this really, really pretty lilac color. Oh, isn't that nice? And we got squishy again. And this one is the Stitch Studio Cozy. And the it is a super bulky 6. It takes a 9mm knitting needles and a 11.5mm crochet hook. And we have 130 yards, 57% acrylic, 36% polyester, and 7% wool. Wow, that is just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that number was 4. Here is 5. And you got the little washi tape on the back. I hope the crinkling isn't bothering anybody too much. I love the crinkling. But some people, I know it can get to your ears. They probably bug my husband, but I love it. So, oh, look at. Oh, I'm just going to fix this a little bit here. Came undone a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And this one is unknown fibers, chunky weight, no dye lot, millends. And oh, I'll tell you guys the website, Kitchener Yarn Co. www.kitcheneryarnco.com. Look it. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. That is wonderful. So that was day 5, and now 6. Here we go. 6 is a big one. In this lovely checks paper again. So let's just pop this open. It's just spilling out of the bag. It's awesome. Okay. Wow. Look at this puppy. Holy. And this one is called the Stitch Studio Belle. It's in a nice gray. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at how big that is. That's huge. It's absolutely huge. And this is a super bulky 6, 9mm knitting needles, 9mm crochet hook, 100% acrylic, and it is 263 yards. And machine wash, gentle, tumble low to dry. I love it. I love it. And it's soft. Like that is just, oh, I'm sorry I hit you guys again. Good grief. Good grief, eh? Lord. What the heck? And bending down, bending down, bending down. We'll get a couple up here so that I can just reach over and get them really quickly. Okay, there we go. So we got number 7. Like 7-Eleven. I don't know. Ooh, look at this pretty blue. Ooh, isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, Darla would like that. Darla did a crafty yarn owl with Darla. And this is Unknown Fibers, 100 grams. It's 100 grams of that. Ooh, lovely. And there's another one in here, so let's fish this one out. Oh, and look at that gorgeous blue. Isn't that just beautiful? Wow. I'm not going to know what to do with all this gorgeous yarn. And I have to rearrange my yarn room because I'm not going to be able to fit anything in there. It's just, oh, it's a disaster. Okay, so I have to redo it. We're rearranging. I'm getting my husband to help me. Number 8. And let's pop that one over here. Oh my goodness, people, this is gorgeous. This has got some beautifulness going on in here. Look at that. Those are beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. You know, I've never had this brand before, Stitch Studio. This is Stitch Studio Belle. I love those colors. I've never had this brand ever. So we got a super bulky 6 again. 9mm crochet hook, 9mm knitting needles, machine wash, gentle, tumble, low, dry, and 100% acrylic, and 210 yards. 210 yards of gorgeousness. Just gorgeous. Okay, moving along. Number 9. 9. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, look at. That's like just another little pretty blue. It's coming out a little bit darker on there. It's more of a, like a baby blue. I guess that back here, it looks more of the color. Oh, is that ever nice too? Okay, they got some specs back here. This is a roving big ball. Blue, 100 grams, 20% wool, 80% acrylic. And that's everything it says on there. Oh, there's something else in here. I was gonna just put it in there. And we have tea. Yes, I love tea. Vanilla cappuccino, sweet, creamy, and energizing. Oh, that sounds good. That just sounds great. Lovely. Okay, now we got number 10. 10. The big old 10. Ooh, look at. I ripped a bag to shreds. That's funny. Oh, look. Beautiful red. Lovely. Yes. Yeah, that's the dark. Felt like that darkness. Isn't that great? And this is Camgarn. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And 100 grams, 20% wool, 80% acrylic. Look how squishy. Look how squishy it is. It's so squishy. Okay, I have to pause the camera for a moment because I've got to get the rest of the boxes. So the other box, I'll be right back.